mid priming session I realized that I haven't masked these portions of the ECM pods that will need masking. So let me show you a quick way how to mask such stuff quick and easy. First off, we get some sort of a straight edge, metal straight edge, a little bit of masking tape, and of course a nice and sharp scalpel blade. Cut a very thin strip out of this, and now we're going to create a barrier. Carefully with the tweezers. This thin strip of tape can follow the path you want it to follow quite easily. Where I have like that straight edges, I will cut it. Now I will take a longer piece and I will start closing this outline. As I said, the tape really easily follows the contours. No need for a special tape here, just a regular basic Tamiya masking tape is going to do a great job. To cut the excess, I like to use my single side cutters. They do a great job. Nice and clean cut. And now some masking fluid. Every fluid should do. Just fill the area between the boundaries. And we have a masked piece quite quickly and easily. Now, if you have been thinking outside of the box and some of that masking fluid got out, just let it dry and you can simply push it out of the area you want to have the paint on. And that's about it, fellas. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy modeling!